Good day, everyone. Today, I will be sharing you guys about the changing world of work and its impact on human resource management, or HRM. So, when we talk or think about changing, it means to make or to become different. Changing world of work focuses on examining the implication of the changing context on managing people and globalization. So by changing the world of work, it has a big impact on human resource management. Why? It because ang mga organisasyon ngayon ay nakakaranas ng mga bagong pressure tulad ng increasing globalization, yes, environmental concerns, competition, and technological change. In line with this, those employee are humihiling ng pag-promote sa trabaho, pagtaas ng sweldo, karagdagang benepisyo, pangangailangan para sa kaalaman at kasanayan, lalong-lalo na yung pagbabago sa paggawa. And nakakatulong rin yung paggana ng human resource. No? Therefore, yung paggana ng human resource ay may malaking epekto sa pagtugon sa lahat ng mga pangangailangan at pagbabagong ito. HR also has a key part in uplifting its role and its value to the organization. So, ganun ka-importante yung pagbabago sa isang organisasyon. Kasi, may mga benefits yan, hindi lamang sa isang organisasyon, kundi sa iyong sarili. What I mean to say is, kunwari ako may pagbabago sa aking sarili, hindi lamang ako yung nakakabenepisyo, kundi yung ibang tao na nakakasalamuha ko. Kasi pag negative or positive pa yan, possible na maaapektuhan mo yung mga tao na nakapaligid sa iyo. So, yun lamang po at maraming salamat. Sana naiintindihan niyo po yung sinishare ko today. Yun lang po. God bless. Bye!
My name is Francis Picanyanes and I'm explaining the role of HR. The role of HR has been dynamic and ever-evolving when the term personnel was changed into human resources. The world started to acknowledge the values of employees as assets and strategic partners in the achievement of organizational objectives. The crucial of the HR achieving of the company's bottom line was slowly finally recognized. So in summary, HR plays a vital role in managing and developing the workforce, ensuring compliances with the employment laws and regulations, creating positive work environment, and aligning the employees' goals with the company's objectives.
So, good morning everyone, I'm Rosie Flores and today I'll be discussing the work of David Ulrich. So, in the work of David Ulrich, 1977, ingon siya na ang HR management has 4 key rules, which is aligning the HR's rule within the bounds of a business strategy. So, align. Ibig sabihin, ginapaangkop nila ilang human resource role na nagabay sa business strategy sa company. Wala galapas o wala po siya sobra. Mura gina-correct lang kanit nila or mura gina-double check kung unsay business strategy sa company. So, number 2 is administrative expert working. On organizational process, sila ang nagapa-implement or naga-organize sa tama na process sa organizational structure. Mao na number 2. So, number 3 is champion listening to employee needs. So, ang HR na nagalisten sa mga hinaing sa mga empleyado kung naa ba sila needs na mga resources nila or naa ba sila mga kailangan na sa company. Mao na siya ang nagapaminaw sa mga needs sa employees. So, the last one is number 4 is the change agent. This is responding to environmental pressures. So, sila ang nagapa-hamloy or nagapa-smooth sa pressure sa workplace. Ilang trabaho kay gina-fix nila ang mga problem sa employee para gani mahapsay ang ilang pagtrabaho o aron hapsay pud ang dagan sa company. Ana lang. O mao lang to ang 4 key rules ingon ni Mr. Dave Ulrich. So summary or in short, sila ang nagapa-balance between sa employee o employer na mga challenges. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I am Anjali Bancari and I will discuss to you this strong leadership. Strong leadership. The HR department should be led by someone who has a clear vision and who motivates employees to share that vision. So it is very important in an organization to have a good leader or to have the best leader to be exact. Kanang leader nga kayang tuuhan sa tanan and someone that communicate well to his or her employees. So one of my teacher in high school said that tanan pwede mahimong leader but dili tanan kabalo magpaka-leader. It is very easy to say, o kanang ikaw kuan, ikaw leader ing ana. Pero katong imong gitudlo na mahimong leader is wala siya kabalo ang unsay buhaton as an effective leader. So as a result, dili jud magkadima ang mga task nga na-assign sa inyo ha. A strong leader must have a clear vision sa ihang organization. And this vision will be shared to his or her employees para ma-motivate sila individually. Strong leadership is when you encourage, motivate, inspire, and challenge your team to produce their best work. Especially, wise and good communication can help achieve an organizational goal.
Now I will be discussing creativity. With rapid globalization, the HR mandate should be to find new ways of managing personnel. Any growing company now needs to be creative in order to succeed. It can be achieved by changing the way things are seen, sharing new ideas, and implementing innovative new ideas. So from the word creative, being creative is very unique. Even ganang nagkapiraha mo o gihimo, pero imo creative kaayo, unique kaayo, na-adjoy something na nakikita nga very unique, syempre ma-attract ang mga tao. Just like in HR, tungod sa pagpaspas sa atong globalization karon, nadyo tayo ma-cope up nga new ideas nga pwede nato magamit para mag-grow ang atong company. So, human resource, ang mga personnel pwede sila mag-sharing sa ilahang idea. Like, for example, na siya idea, kami po na sila po na kato pwede sila emerge. And in that way, pwede nila ni ma-implement sa ilahang company kay kato di ay very unique o lahi ra kaayo sa uban ng mga product or services. So being creative jud tungod man pud na sa pagpaspas atong globalization, syempre year by year na adjay changes mahitabo. At dapat pod ang product and service nga inyuhang gi-implement sa una dapat na apod yun ay kabag-uhan kay para ang mga tao ma-attract gihapon sa inyong gihimo. So being creative is very important. So that's it.
Hello everyone, my topic is flexibility. So what is flexibility in the HR department? The HR department should respond to the dramatic changes in the environment by being flexible, adaptable, and capable of reacting to these changes. For my understanding about flexibility in the HR department is the more nga maging adaptable ka, the better nga suitable ka sa imong posisyon nga kung asa ka gibutang or as a leader nga role nimo ba kung asa ka kung unsa imong kailangan or needs nga buhaton sa inyong company and sa inyong as a team. And more adaptable leaders man good is to show greater ability to motivate, inspire, and mag-lead ka sa imong team, and it is easy na maka-earn ka of respect sa imong mga kauban. And the positive ways of make changes is say yes rather than no, because the more nga mag-adapt tag changes ways of working is quickly and easily na mo increase ang effectiveness sa environment or sa changes sa environment. Then being flexible at work means being able to adapt to changing circumstances and unexpected events with grace and resilience. That will be all.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Alisa Jean Asalibios, and I will discussing about HR management and globalization. HR management and globalization is all about recruiting, retaining, and managing an organization employee. When a business expands its operation into other countries, the impact of globalization on human resources, development, and management is significant. Companies need to consider a diverse range of practical adjustments to be able to hire, train, retain, and support a workforce that often spread throughout several countries which often have varying cultural identities. Human resources regulations and technological development. And also, globalization in HR means that the HR team manage resources across the world, and it's their duty to help all team members feel like they belong to a single community. A global HRM expert helps an organization manage their diverse workforce with knowledge of the country's regulation and laws and ensures they provide employee with opportunities to grow.
Good day everyone, my name is Janica Kate Bentazor and I will discuss change of skills in HR management. So, because of globalization, there is a need to improve employee skills to adapt the changing culture. The HR department should require diverse skills and multilingual competencies among applicants. So, kani siyang change of skills, pasabot ani kay tungod sa atong globalisasyon, kanang bisan lahi imong skills, like imong skills dili compatible sa isa ka company kay need jud nimo ma-adapt sa workplace in order to cope and to develop yourself para mas maayo imuhang work sa company. In short, kaning change of skills in HR management kay dapat paspas maka-adapt ang employee sa fast-paced na trabaho sabay sa pagpaspas sa pag-change sa atong environment. And that's all.
Hey everyone, good day ma'am. I am Dina Jamalaya and today I will be discussing about outsourcing and downsizing as the trends that have been impacted human resource. So what is downsizing? Downsizing is the process of terminating multiple employees or the permanent reduction of company's labor force through eliminating unproductive workers. So meaning ang downsizing is ang pagbabawas sa mga unproductive employees or workers sa isa ka kumpanya. So, downsizing leads to lower costs. So, nganong nag-lead man siya lower cost? Syempre, if magabawas ka og employee sa imong sa isa ka company is syempre gamay na lang imuhang swelduhan. And companies downsize to lower costs. So, the best option is to outsource the functions of an understaffed department. So, ang best option aning pag-downsizing is ang pag-outsource. So, di ba, nagabawas og employees, nagabawas og employees sa isang kumpanya. Ang best option na imuhang buhaton is outsourcing is when a company hires a third party to perform their tasks or when a company employs another company. Example, when a US shoe company opens a factory here in the Philippines. So, for example, nag-open ang shoe company sa US o kanang factory diriya sa Pilipinas and sila nagka-contract og mga Filipino workers or Filipino employees para sila ang mubuhat sa ilahang sapatos. So, mao na siya ang outsourcing. So, ang outsourcing is nag-lead siya og kanang lower cost. So, gamay ra ang ilang gasto. Dili sila kinahanglan og daghan pang employees nga gikan sa US tapos ipaato diri sa Pilipinas para magbuhat sa shoe. Ang ilang buhaton is ang US shoe company is naa sila'y contract diri sa mga Filipinos or Filipino employees para sila na ang mubuhat ato nga product or which is kanang sapatos. So another example is ang BPO. Diba ang BPO is dira ang mga call center agents ana. So ang outsourcing and downsizing is nahimo na siyang trends na kanang na-impact nga dako jud siyang impact sa human resource kay mostly sa mga business or sa mga company is naga-engage og downsizing katong pagbabawas sa mga productive employees or workers and naga-outsource sila para mas kanang ang ilang market is mas mudako o kanang paspas accelerated ilahang ang pag-market sa ilahang product, and po siya kanang nagalid po siya og lower cost, kanang gamay lang ang gasto or mas gamay lang ang gastuhan sa isa ka company. Therefore, companies have to be prepared to engage in downsizing. So, if ang company is mag-engage sila downsizing, kinahanglan sa HR department is mag-assess kung kinsa tong workers nga ilang ipabilin katong naay potential o kinsa tong workers nga ilang tanggalon katong employees nga unproductive one. And if ang company is nag-engage sa downsizing, kinahanglan po sila mag-engage sa outsourcing. So, katong outsourcing is katong when a company employs another company para mag-fulfill sa ilang task. So, ang outsourcing is para ma-ensure gihapon ng quality services despite sa pag-downsizing. So, mao lang pa.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been
Good
sleeping
morning
through the
everyone,
long
my name is
nights.
Kenneth Bolton Mayatas
I've
and
been
I am
shining
your
in the
presenter for
sunlight.
this video.
I've
For
been
this
thinking
morning,
how
I'm
I'm
talking about
alright.
contingent worker in
There's a
HR
reason for my
management.
feelings.
What is
There's a
contingent
reason why
worker?
I'm
A
healing.
contingent worker is an
I sit higher than
individual
the ceiling.
hired by a company to do the
All
role
because of
project-based
you.
work in
You
its
and I
behalf.
so sweet,
Contingent
so
workers
sweet.
are those
Talking till we
individuals whose
asleep,
services are used from
asleep.
staffing
Every night I
companies
fall
that
deep,
generally
fall
retains
deep
and workers
in
as
love.
employees.
Yeah.
Some examples of
So you
contingent
really get
workers
me,
are
get me.
freelancer
Make me fall
and a
to my
contractor
knees,
of the
my
company.
knees.
They are
Every
hired
night
to
I
do a
fall
specific
deep,
job.
fall deep in love.
These are some of my insights about contingent worker in HR
Wait a
management.
minute,
Thank you for
don't
watching
leave
and
me
listening.
before I get to kiss you.
Now I will be discussing the last trends have impacted HR, which is the decentralized work sites. People can now work anywhere in the world. The power of technology makes video conferencing possible, enabling others to work in the confines of their homes. So, due to the power of technology, people can work anywhere. Just like in beaches, in their homes. Sometimes, di ba, kita po din naka-experience po ta ka ng mag-Google Meet pa. Ang mga instructors, pwede na sila na silang balay. Kay tungod sa power sa technology, makamit, makatrabaho, gihapon na sila. And due to this kind of platform, the HR department increased their responsibility kay as sila ang nagdala sa mga trabahante, ila man pud gud nang ina-determine if ang workplace ang imong gitrabahoan is safety ba ka diha, syempre ang imuhang health pod, and this kind of platform man pod is makatabang man pod gud na sa matag usa nga trabahante, especially kanang mga lagyo kaayo, they can now use technology para makatrabaho, para maka-gain of money in their own. And yeah, this trends is very helpful sa matag usa ka mga trabahante. Thank you.